Ever felt that tiny jolt of anxiety when you see an appointment request come in, especially during a busy day? You're juggling clients, managing stock, and then bam, another appointment pops up. But here's the real question. How do you streamline that process, ensuring you don't miss a beat, and more importantly, don't lose that potential customer? We've all been there, right? That moment of hesitation, wondering if you've got the time, if the details are right, if you're going to accidentally double book. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is king. And if you're a business owner using Square appointments, you know how crucial it is to manage your schedule effectively. Missed appointments, double bookings, or delayed confirmations can lead to frustrated clients and lost revenue. So, how do we navigate this digital dance of appointment management without breaking a sweat? Think about it. You've poured your heart and soul into building your business. You've got a loyal customer base, and you're constantly attracting new clients. Every appointment is a chance to make a lasting impression, to provide exceptional service, and to grow your business. But that opportunity can slip through your fingers if the approval process is clunky or time-consuming. Imagine a scenario. A new client finds your business online, sees your glowing reviews, and eagerly books an appointment. They're excited, ready to experience what you have to offer. But then they wait, and wait, and wait. No confirmation, no response. The excitement fades, replaced by doubt. They start wondering if you even received their request. And just like that, you've lost a potential customer, all because of a simple yet crucial step in the process. That's where mastering the art of approving appointments on Square comes in. It's not just about clicking a button. It's about creating a seamless, professional experience for your clients. It's about showing them that you value their time and that you're committed to providing top-notch service from the very first interaction. So, let's dive into the practical side of things. How do we actually approve appointments on Square? It's simpler than you might think, but understanding the nuances can make a world of difference. First, let's talk about the notifications. When an appointment request comes in, you'll receive a notification on your Square Appointments app, your Square dashboard, and possibly via email, depending on your settings. This immediate alert is your first line of defense against missed opportunities. Pay close attention to these notifications, especially during peak hours. Now, let's open the Square Appointments app. You'll see a list of pending appointments. Tap on the specific appointment you want to review. Here, you'll find all the essential details: the client's name, the service they've requested, the date and time, and any notes they may have added. Take a moment to review this information carefully. One of the key things to look out for is the service requested. Is it the right service? Does it align with the time slot they've chosen? If you offer multiple services with varying durations, this is crucial. You don't want to accidentally schedule a 30-minute service in a 60-minute slot, or vice versa. Next, check the date and time. Does it fit into your schedule? Are you available at that time? If you have multiple staff members, ensure that the appointment is assigned to the correct person. Square Appointments allows you to manage staff schedules seamlessly, so take advantage of this feature. If everything looks good, it's time to approve the appointment. You'll see a prominent Approve button. Tap it and the appointment is confirmed. But don't stop there. Here's where we elevate the experience. Consider sending a personalized message to your client. A simple, "Hi, client name. Your appointment for service name on date at time has been confirmed. We look forward to seeing you," can go a long way in building rapport and showing your professionalism. Square also offers the option to send automated confirmations. This is a fantastic time saver, but adding that personal touch can make a significant difference. You can customize these automated messages to include specific details or instructions, such as directions to your location or what to bring to the appointment. Now, let's address some common challenges. What if the requested time doesn't work? Or what if you need to reschedule? Square Appointments makes this process incredibly easy. Instead of simply rejecting the appointment, use the reschedule option. This allows you to propose alternative times to your client. When rescheduling, be prompt and courteous. Explain why the original time doesn't work and offer a few alternative options. This shows your client that you're willing to accommodate their needs and that you value their business. Another common issue is double bookings. This can be a nightmare, especially during busy periods. Square Appointments helps prevent this by displaying your availability in real time. However, it's still essential to double-check your schedule before confirming any appointment. If you do encounter a double booking, communicate with your clients immediately. Explain the situation and offer a solution. This could involve rescheduling, offering a discount, or providing a complimentary service. Honesty and transparency are crucial in maintaining customer trust. Let's also talk about managing cancellations. Square Appointments allows clients to cancel their appointments online. You can set cancellation policies to protect your business from no-shows. When a client cancels, you'll receive a notification, allowing you to update your schedule and potentially fill the open slot. For no-shows, consider implementing a no-show fee. This can help deter clients from missing appointments without notice. Communicate your cancellation policy clearly to your clients, both during the booking process and in your confirmation messages. Now, let's explore some advanced features. Square Appointments integrates seamlessly with other Square tools, such as Square Marketing and Square Loyalty. This allows you to create targeted marketing campaigns and reward loyal customers. For example, you can send automated reminders to clients who haven't booked an appointment in a while, or you can offer loyalty points for each appointment they complete. This not only boosts customer engagement, but also encourages repeat business. Another powerful feature is the ability to accept payments online. Square Appointments allows clients to pay for their services in advance, reducing the risk of no-shows and ensuring a smoother checkout process. You can also save client payment information for future appointments, streamlining the payment process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.